Question, guys and ladies. Now, typically when somebody's dancing, you know, let's say you're washing the dishes or cooking or doing something and you're dancing. You're doing it for what reason? Because A, you're either used to doing this and you enjoy it, right? And B, it's no thing to you. You know, this is second nature to you, right? Seen a video of a guy in the store picking up clothes, looking at it and dancing, you know? Dancing, and all of a sudden he slips a dress in the back of his pants. Now that right there led me to believe that this dude is a crackhead booster. You know, because I got crackheads in my family and I know them. I see them all the time. You know, I got an auntie who will steal your shit and help you look for it. You know, that's something she will do. It's just in her blood. I don't know why she do it. Yes, I do, because she's a crackhead. But this guy was dancing, you know, just getting his groove on, looking at like, you know, this is the right size right here. Extra large. Oh, I can squeeze these in the back of my pants. Not a problem at all. And yep, he didn't get caught. Oh, yes, he did. I'm sorry. I take that back. I am sorry. He did get caught. He threw the dress back at the lady and took off running. You know, now that right there goes to show how bold the man was. You know, he was in there with not a nerve system in his body. He went in there with the intentions on getting the job done. It goes to show he do this all the time. It don't take a rocket scientist to know that. For all you people who didn't know, maybe he was dancing because he just heard a really cool song before he walked in. No. He was dancing because it was not a problem for him to do it. He thought it was going to be the usual routine. You know, I'm going to get in and I'm going to get out. But he got busted. He threw the dress and he took off running. Links in the description box. You can check it out. You know, the police is actually coming to YouTube now to get help, which is a cool thing, you know. That's why I did this video, because I wanted to expose this person. Because I feel if you commit a crime, do the motherfucking time, alright? If you get busted. That's how it is. Maybe it's shaping people up, you know. I'm going to get out of here. Follow your boy on Twitter. Like this video. Tweet this video. Facebook this video. Do whatever you need to do to this video. Alright? Enjoy the rest of you guys' day. Peace.